Welcome to my channel. In this video, we explore the amazing aspects of the logging industry, from powerful machines to cutting-edge technology. It's a comprehensive journey that you can't miss. Subscribe to our channel to enter the magical world of logging with us now. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. In the heart of the forest, the Ecolog 590E Log Max 7000C begins its mission. Under the piercing beams of its headlights, it efficiently grabs towering trees and makes precise cuts, showcasing the power of modern engineering. The Ponzi Elephant AF8W maneuvers gracefully through the forest floor. Its powerful arms lift and stack logs with an unmatched precision, readying them for transportation. A worker equipped with safety gear powers through a giant tree trunk with a chainsaw. The scene is alive with the roar of machinery and the crackle of wood. The John Deere 2154D, paired with the Warata 622C, is a masterpiece of coordination, cutting logs into uniform lengths and stacking them with flawless precision. Through the muddy terrain, a heavy-duty skidder tows massive logs with unrelenting power, showcasing the strength and resilience of modern machinery. The John Deere Shin 450 HP forestry grinder turns entire trunks into fine sawdust in seconds, enveloping the scene in a whirlwind of wood particles. Inside a busy sawmill, the Wood Miser LT-15 slices through massive logs with automated precision, creating perfectly cut planks ready for further processing. Amidst smoke and flames, workers expertly manage charred tree trunks, utilizing specialized tools to handle the dangerous conditions with care. The Multitech 2040 processor seamlessly splits logs into uniform firewood, ensuring efficient and precise production. Side by side, two workers wield the Steel MS 881 and Husqvarna 3120XP chainsaws, slicing through massive logs in perfect unison. The Vermeer WC-2300XL transforms entire trunks and branches into fine mulch, turning waste into valuable resources. With unmatched efficiency, the Vortex skid steer raw, Itera obliterates stubborn stumps, leaving the ground ready for replanting. The Peterbilt 359 Classic, a 5-axle behemoth, transports towering logs effortlessly through rugged terrain, ensuring timely deliveries to lumber yards. Thanks for watching today's video about the journey of exploring the synthetic logging industry. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.